Yeah, dirty pot.
Yeah. That means that when time ready to score it.
Jamaican breakfast. Yeah, at the 5-star backyard.
Style, you know? Forget the fork.
And we have to eat the food.
Run off.
Yeah, Barry, you see Rhea Cobra door. Yeah. Rhea Cobra in full suit of khaki after the holy parade in Jamaica, yeah. Don't play with her now, you know. It's just a look. Yeah. See how she's still? You see how she's still? Alright. We are going to stop right now, so we're not reach it yet.
So we reach it.
Yeah, Barry, we are looking for the set of vagina rocks. Them you never know about that one there, the man there.
So we pass it there.
Yeah, oh, me not catch it.
You are way down, so you have to go stop to catch it.
Alright, next time.
You know the high, that you are way down.
Yeah, it's not easy. Yeah, lot of people on YouTube. I'm a fruits girl this from around the garage.
Good morning, everybody.
Yeah, she watch me. What going for one of them?
One of them are the salon there.
Oh, them look so mangy.
Oh, them nice.
Alright.
Agros Michel,
How much this? Agros Michel this?
Yes.
You sure? Wait, orange gem there. Same price. Me not gonna lie to you. Me like that bag there.
That one there?
That one that when you take from beside it.
That big one there?
Yeah.
But the bigger one go with more money. You know?
How much money that?
Upon you two, you have put the price.
Yeah, yes.
Me not talk.
Alright, no talk.
Not talk.
Alright, good girl.
Not talk.
Alright.
Not tell me a secret ingredients.
Me
you know?
so tell you.
Not
Me so.
talk.
Alright then, you know they're on YouTube now. Let me take you off.
Tell me off though.
Yeah, come tell me how much this now. Parry. Sent me a room there. Bless upon herself. It's another day. And all of that. So I hope when this little video of mine or little vlog reaches you, it will find you in the best of health. And that you will cock up your foot in your bed. And I watch Debbie down her yard. Sent me with them. Proud me, I proud today. Gonna flip the camera now. So Parry, this is another building, boy. This is all bush. Right there, so I can't even find place to walk. I can't believe. This is the church I attended as a little girl, Louisburg Presbyterian. And right now, you can't see. The church now keep us again. What a shame. All of the whole of people in the district dead out. This is not the only church in the district though. But this is... oh boy. I can't believe this. Parry. And see the sign that said Johnson Hill Road. This take you all the way back to another district. And I can hardly see. As there's nothing here. There was a little church cottage back over behind the willow tree here. Wow. And this is a track that takes you up. And there's another house up the top there too, but me not go out there. But it's really a shame to see. So this is the church I attended as a little girl. I don't know. I don't know. But such is life. All I all ghost them. This is where I attended church. Wow. All the benches are still there. And you can see the pulpit, the organ, and some of those plaques are the name of the founding members. And all of that. So, something has gone wrong, but they didn't know. But I'm going to give you a little bit of my history when I was a little girl. At this side, right up there, to the left, we would sit as kids, and over there, the elders would sit. But such is life, Barry. Such is life. You're here today, you're gone tomorrow. And all of that. Let me tell you something. We're supposed to live good on the face of this earth. Take care of each other. Who you can live good with, you live good with them. Who you can't live good with, you leave them. And if you can, love them from a distance and do something for them. Because this is the end of it. That means if Any founding member should have passed on now. Their body could not be church here. And these are walls in a bush there from the church's cottage. And all of that. But it's a shame. But I don't know. So, I never really see a church building deteriorate like this. I am really appalled by it. Because I've never seen a church building left to be deteriorated like this, ever. But, I catch you. And I still here by yellow people, I'm calling.
Yeah, Rasta. Rasta, they engage right now. I say hi to me auntie and Rete.
Yeah.
And I look out on the frequency at the time.
Yeah, because the time look away.
Be a little water up here.
Yeah.
So we still give thanks and praises for the moment at the time, you know?
Yeah. And you tank that curry in a yard there?
Yeah, man, I'm a little black tank that in a yard there, you know?
And also look like you want to fix up the to curry.
Yeah, man, I want a whole repairing and thing. So, you don't know we're going to the country already. Things not fast, it's slow.
Yeah.
So we have to take it as it is, you know?
Yeah.
And give thanks. Yeah, man. So blessed again, Pari. Give thanks and praise to the Most High.
Yeah, man, yeah. One idea we have to go and do a local house tour if we make them see what go on for you, you know.
Man, for real,
yeah,
man.
cool,
Man,
see?
for real.
Yeah. So, alright, Pari, we still there, St. Mary. Dad say hi now.
Hi, Pari. Hi.
Yeah, Dad a paint grill.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, Dad a paint grill. The time really overcast outside. Really overcast weather. And so, but we still there, we are work and we are do what we have to do. And Dad a touch up grill, and as we showed you before, We demolish the older building them and all of that. So we take our time and go on, you know. We are here doing what we can do, trying to help ourselves. Yeah. No, what them no money and come out I play.
God say help those who help themselves.
Yeah, man. Exactly how me work, man.
That me know father say. And at least the kids then respect you for that.
Yeah, man. You say, Corey, you clean up your front part, yeah, you clean up.
Yes, ma'am. Can't let it certain way, man.
No, sir.
Because
And we can't get 15 now if we spray the termite then.
yes.
Yeah, man, you can't say, every man if you work and the same man they work. Yeah. You can't say, boy, when you sit down, you found a batty from in left and nothing.
Work has to be done, man. Because in spite of anything, it has to be done, you know.
You can't cook in there, you can't cook in there.
No, sir.
You can't cook in there. Fear work and
All of them know that can you have a job one side from female, give them space, you know?
Yeah. Me give you space.
Dammy.
You're dead, stay dead. I'm dead and alive, no mix.
When you wake up, you don't find yourself in a one time.
I catch Tammy here, no man. They come like you say, Tammy, do that again.
If you ever innocent favor him mother, you me dead stamp on him mother. Where you look for where your mother there? She down so. You know you resemble your mother do. But me never see him next brother from me I come here. Alright, you are next one. Me have to go edit out that. Not like that round here, Corey.
Not like that.
Not like that.
No Rasta. No Rasta. He's a good man.
You said no Rasta business round here. Corey said
No badness swing around here.
none not like that, no.
Rasta philosophy.
I know badness.
Hey, you know, sir, Rasta, Tommy don't like you, Rasta something kind of your can't grow.
You see, at all time, Tommy try
Tommy,
to...
Let me see your ear. Where say I like Tammy?
Show me your Tommy. Hey, Tommy can't show the ear again because the ear is not hot.
Fiona? The man for you?
Me?
Lord God.
What is Tommy?
Hear the two of them.
Fiona?
How you mean? You see,
How come that now?
you're blind.
What is that?
You see lock.
Me mix with coolie.
In lock.
nigga.
Now comes you mix it cool it Tammy. How cause that?
What cause that?
Come in where your father and nigga, I am and nigga. Something that don't come to you mix with your. Eh? How are your grandfather? How I'm grandfather? Who about you father? But me know about you father.
Okay, sit at the altar.
Eh?
Okay, sit at the altar.
Where?
When you make both show here, you get a feeling, a feeling.
Then about you him father. Hold on there. What? Me have got to tell Steely if you give some work and make you know if him a basket. That me I go do. So when Steel man come in.
Me look at a woman. You look at a woman and give work.
So we look like a woman?
Hey, that boy.
Yes, man.
So when you say Corey?
George is a walking remover.
So when you say in carry any amount of furniture upon
Any
here?
amount, you go and put on 2 hamper on inside. And make one good cutter out of banana trash on the head.
Anywhere from country to town. From country to town. And from town back to country.
Back to country.
Good sir. So all the long tank there would nothing.
That's a tank down there, sir.
That's all not fever Lord.
Will your water do you know?
No, you're too terrible.
I'm not leaving it.
Without it full of 1,200 gallons.
I'm not leaving it.
Okay.
Yeah.